we back with another video. Hey, this one's special. You see, we got the GT, the V8, and we got the Ecoboost. Now look, we about to let Tony here, about to let Tony man drive the V8. How you feeling?
I've driven Scat Packs, Hellcats, SRTs.
My God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Hey, you supposed to be like, this the first time I drove.
It's the first time I'm driving it is the first time I'm driving the fucking V8 Mustang.
Wait. She hungry because, you know, we always go eat something afterwards. So you gotta stick to the end of the video. Let's see what we gonna eat. But yeah, let's get it on with the video. I'm about to give them my keys. We about to actually take some pictures because this is a good spot I found. This is a real good spot. So might do a little edit depending on how I feel. So that's my baby, y'all. I'm scared. So I can't knock him for that, but this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna act like he did that. That way, you know, I can get something for that.
Say need you to move.
So
It was just his shadow, low key.
that's a dope color. Y'all gonna be so mad when I wrap my car. And I know I keep talking about it, but my fenders are coming soon.
Fenders, every video. Fender.
Anyways, y'all.
Hey, leave that man alone. He is upgrading.
Anyways. She a hater. They just taking pictures right now before everything go down. It's a beautiful day. Look at this walk. Might go on the walk. This man still ain't get his bumper painted. I don't know if I'm gonna drive his stuff. Nah, I'm gonna be in the passenger seat of this so I can get his reaction and whatnot. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Alright, man, without further ado, here you go, Tony. Hold on. That might be thumbnail material too. Hold on. Here you go. Shit.
I got long ass arms.
Shit. Like this. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Wait, you gotta get the 5-0. Gotta get the 5-0.
Oh, yeah. Hit the, hold on. Put my pants up because these bitches coming.
Yeah, okay, alright.
Let's see. So you working here. Mine is the usual. Lock the door.
Cold start? It's not cold. I just drove it. I think we headed to the gas station because my car on E85, so all the gas be gone quick. So we probably headed to the gas station.
All right.
But it's a gas station like right around the corner. So.
Okay.
Put your seatbelt on.
I'm dead.
Hit a right up at this stop sign.
I like the sound for sure. Definitely is the best thing I like to hear is exhaust.
Oh no, he got that hand on that thing like it's manual.
I mean, that's just how I hold. Like even when I'm in my car, I just hold it just in case. Neck. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go find my neck. Which way we going? Straight.
Anyways, like I was saying, this is the first time me being a passenger seeing somebody pressing a car. It's a different experience.
This is smooth, low key. I just feel like in my car, it's a lot harder for me to keep up with you for the simple fact my RPMs and of course I drive a fucking turn right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm missing like 4 extra cylinders.
He ain't missing. I just stole them from you. What did it say?
Kuwait.
Go racing?
I would if I could fucking freaking see.
Oh yeah, the tent kind of attenuated.
Alright. Which way am I going? Straight. I don't know where 12 is out here, so I ain't gonna let it rip like I would want to.
You should be good.
I'm waiting till I get to that tunnel. buy one? Where do I buy one from? Where do I buy one from?
What's happening over here?
Who's selling a Mustang GT right now? We can do a trade. We can do a trade. We go to that gas station right up here, right?
Yeah, get in your right lane.
See, like, I'm barely on the gas. This one?
Yep.
Okay. I'm barely on the, like, my foot is barely on the gas. And your shit is, like, not even all the way up there. Oh, shit, it's on that side.
Smack that Prius.
Not how to smack that Prius.
Wait. Look, guys. He drive the car. He gotta put the gas in. How I feel putting that E85 in?
It's about to feel a lot different.
So the overall drive, what you think?
It's smooth. Gas pedal just heavy as fuck. Like you gotta, like, in order for it to actually kick in with your boost, you gotta press hard.
I don't got no boost, y'all.
I'm saying, like, cause you know you running on the tune.
Yeah.
For
But
me,
no, the tune is there.
for me, when I drive my Eco and I put it in sport, it only takes about 2 seconds for it to go from regular to actually taking off with the, you know, speed wise.
I don't know. I gotta fact check that. It feel like it just goes straight off to me.
Well, that's probably, like, if you put it in sport, it'll do that. But in regular drive, like when I did it and I hit the gas, it took a minute for it to actually kick in. I don't know if it's because you're low on gas. I don't know if it's because you're low on gas or what. But I put my foot all the way to the floor, and that bitch was still like this, and then it launched, and I was like, oh, well, there it is.
Would y'all recommend getting a 5.0 or the Eco?
Would you get a gas saver or a gas guzzler?
Do you really save gas?
Sometimes it depends.
Yeah, then don't make me check your history, boy.
Well, no, if you don't drive like me, then yeah. If you don't drive a little bit, I ain't gonna say
How much
it's-
you think you get to the gas?
Shit, I couldn't tell you, nigga. I just put gas in that bitch and keep going.
Well, I got E85 in this car,
I use 93.
and I only get 14.
I use 93. Yeah. I'm surprised you ain't got pulled over in this yet. Because had it been me, I'd be getting pulled over a lot.
I got pulled over for 10, but they always let me go.
I like how it sounds for sure.
Definitely a nice V8 sounding. No raspiness or nothing. Yeah.
See, that's the thing. In my car, when I do something like that, it don't have that blowback for real like you do. Shit, boy, I swear to God, you killing people's ears.
Are you using the paddle shifter?
Yep.
Don't use the paddle shifter.
Oh,
let it shift on its own.
Let it shift on its own?
Yeah, well,
alright.
it's gonna blow your ass back. I just know. I was like, he just downshifted.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking about, no, just hear me out. I'm thinking about either getting a 345 RT that's at my job, or if I find a Mustang in good price, I'm gonna buy the 5.0.
Let them know, y'all, if y'all selling y'all 5.0 for a good price, don't tax them. And I know what taxing is, because he gonna ask me, this a good price? And I'm gonna say no, don't buy this shit.
I'm already knowing.
Let us know. As you can see, he wanna be in.
God damn, these bumps is something serious. And we're in a low ride too.
Yeah,
They need to fix this.
This don't feel comfortable.
They need to fix this
don't
shit.
feel good at all.
God damn. Okay, now we good. Now we good. I don't know what that was back there, but that ain't it.
A quick pull.
Clickable pool.
Shit. That is so scary in this seat.
Yeah, being in a passenger seat.
I see how my girl feel now. It's different. It's different. Definitely.
How I feel. Look, to everybody in the video, every subscriber, every new channel person, if you get a car that you love, do whatever the hell you want to do to it. Because guess what? Who paying for it? Yo ass.
I wish the lighting was good. But
Man.
I'm gonna add some inspirational music to that.
I'm just saying, cause that's what my family always tell me. If you go do something or you go buy something, buy it for you. Don't try to impress nobody else. Nah. That's why I drive an Ecoboost, cause I know everybody be like, Ecoboosts are lame, whatever. I drive that bitch cause I wanted a Mustang, and I started at a low level. Grab that good. Grab it.
Almost flew out the window.
My bad. I was trying to let you get back in, but I didn't want nobody to honk at us. You know what my first car was low-key? I mean, not my first car. Well, one of my first sports cars was gonna be? A 370Z or a 350Z.
You know what my first car was?
What?
An Infiniti G35. That's why. And it was slammed to the ground. I couldn't.
You had a slammed?
Yup.
That's crazy.
And I sold it quick before I can even drive it.
anything?
Yup.
Came around, boy.
I know. I get my reaction too. Damn. How you feel? You shit yourself too?
I ain't gonna lie, my heart.
Hey, we need to change our drawers or something. Yeah.
Man, after that, I definitely need to change my drawers.
Hey man, hopefully y'all liking the video. If you like and comment, I might let you drive. I might. Big might. But we are here. I never been to this place. I thought we was going to a taco place I tried before. This is a different place though. What the fuck is that? I hope that ain't my car. Sounded like, I don't know what it sounded like. It sounded like something nasty.
No, it's that damn band right there.
Oh.
A sound soul dwells within a sound mind and a sound body.
Cause you told me we should wait, and I told you I'm okay. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Catch me with the top down in a week or two. Now I never wanna talk down. I got beef with you, 2 shots to this nigga don't know you weak or two. I just walked out of the store with a Glock 19 or 2.
Whew, 10 out of 10, I'm full.
He had 2 fat ass burritos. How was the food?
I give it a 9 out of 10 this time because I don't think that's the taco I had last time.
Okay.
That's only right.
Trinity, how's the food?
It was a 6
I'm the
out
most
of 10. It was
illegal
too salty.
You
Again?
don't want that motherfucker.
You don't want that.
It was
from.
too salty.
Hey, look. Hey, Donnie, make sure you get this in the video. Illegal gang activities. No license plate. Because guess what? Hey, hey, hey.
Don't look at
Hey,
The
ain't
camera
nothing.
don't even pick it up.
Exactly. Hey, no. You.
All right, hold on.
You fed.
Hold on. So, they want him, these 2, want him to drive my car on the freeway.
Separate video. Come back for part 2.
No, hold on. If this video right here, wait, I gotta flip the camera. I said if this video right here get 15 likes, I'll let him drive. I'll let.
3 right here.
All right, so we're.
That's 3 out of the 15.
I got 4 siblings.
I'll let
By the
him.
time we end up sharing.
I'll let him drive my car on the freeway, even though it's scary as hell on the street.
No, look. Better yet, look. We gonna do it like this. If y'all can get this video to at least 100 likes.
Nah, that's OD.
Too high?
That's OD.
50. Let's go 50. We can do 50?
That's OD2. I only got right. I only got 2.
But if you share it enough, people go subscribe.
We gonna share it.
Yeah, if you share it enough, people
They gonna make
like.
100 accounts.
Bro, that's too much work. That's too much work.
Look,
All right, fine.
look,
15.
15 likes.
15 likes.
He can drive my GT on the freeway. No restrictions. I ain't gonna say none. What he do? What he do is what he do. He get a ticket. He get the ticket. And so make sure y'all like,
He talking
comment.
about a ticket. We don't get those.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. We out.